Imagine transforming your data-driven ideas into interactive applications without spending weeks on boilerplate code. Streamlit makes that vision a reality. As an open-source Python library, Streamlit lets you turn scripts into shareable web apps in just minutes. Gone are the days of wrestling with complex front-end frameworks or cumbersome dashboards. With Streamlit, it's all about simplicity, power, and speed. Add a few lines of Python, and Streamlit brings your data to life. Build dashboards, visualize models, or create custom workflow tools, whether your data lives in CSVs, databases, or real-time streams. Streamlit's broad support makes connections seamless. But efficiency doesn't mean compromise. Streamlit is highly customizable, so you set the look and feel. Whether you need custom widgets, new layouts, or complex interactivity, the flexibility is built in. And as your needs grow, Streamlit grows with you, thanks to its active community and extensible framework. For Python developers and data scientists, Streamlit shifts the focus from plumbing code to what matters: creativity, insight, and results. It's the toolkit for crafting data applications with clarity and elegance, today, not months from now. Empower your ideas, accelerate your workflow, and reimagine what you can build with data. Try Streamlit and make your next application in minutes. Let's see the practical example jump on Visual Studio Code. First, we need to install Streamlit because it doesn't come with Python by default. We can do that using the command pip install Streamlit. Once the installation is complete, we create a Python file, such as a pp.py, and import the Streamlit library using import Streamlit as st. The st alias is commonly used to access Streamlit functions. Next, we create a page title with st title hello Streamlit, which displays a large heading on the web page. Then we use st write to show some text to the user. After that, we add a drop-down menu using st select box, providing a label and a list of options such as Python, JavaScript, and C++. Streamlit automatically renders this drop-down in the browser and lets the user choose an option. Finally, we run the application with the command streamlit run app.py, and Streamlit starts a local web server and opens the app in the browser. The best part is that we can build interactive web applications using only Python without writing HTML, CSS, or JavaScript. You can see the output on the web page. Please like, share, and subscribe.